guys, and today we're not gonna do a video because I'm outside. I just saw this scary video that I want to stay outside. So I just don't wanna. Look at all of them. This is all my apartments. Well, they're not mine. They're theirs. Oh my God. See, those are all my apartments. Oh my God. Look right there. He's in trouble. He's in big trouble. Did you just see that? Oh my God, guys. This is bad, so bad. Did you see it? Oh my God. Somebody's getting arrested. Well, not arrested. He's just in trouble. I see the police right there. I better should go. Maybe she'll caught me getting in my video. It's not that freezing outside right here. But look at that car. Look how many stickers it has. Bad thing that I live next to it. You're just gonna walk around. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna walk in front of the police and see if he almost catches us. Oh my God! Oh my God! No, thanks. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm hiding. The police just saw me. Okay, guys, we have to be quiet. So the police is, wait, maybe he's not gonna get us, but still, he could. He could get us. Okay. Just gonna walk around. So guys, I watched a scary video that find out that Freddy broke up into his house. Oh my God. But it was the real Freddy. The golden Freddy. You know? Yeah, him. Oh my God, that was so scary. He was like, hi. God, he was jumping. I couldn't believe it. If it was me, I will go running like the heck. If it was me, I will go running like the heck. Like, all the way from here, all the way to there, Imagine Fred is in the puddle, and I'm all the way in front of him. I run the Flash. Oh my God. Yeah, I like that car. That's not my dad's. I'm not kidding. Okay. So guys, today we have to hide from the police. Today they're trying to get me because I'm alone in that. So I'm gonna leave you guys alone for like 1 minute, so nobody can steal you. Okay. Get over here, guys. This is very serious. I just need that. Oh my God, where do I hide? Whatever, I'm just gonna stand here. Oh, plus I know karate. Oh. And plus, they have poopy on this. Look, in my apartment, look what they have, poopy pudge. Oh, but it smells disgusting. What do they have in here? Poopy. was disgusting. Ugh. We have another olive over there, like too far away. Oh, come on, I'll show you. Don't get out of this video until I tell it. So guys, I just saw another police. I almost ran. I'm just say spot. I didn't even know why. I just ran, and they're still looking for me because oh my god. Never. Okay guys. Oh my god. I almost saw I thought it was Freddy. I thought for a second it was Freddy. Oh my god. Okay, this right now has been the best video ever that I made. Thank God it's freezing. This has been the best video I've ever made. It's like ton, but okay, it doesn't. Okay, you wanna fight, huh? With that, ow, ew, that's disgusting. No, not my phone.